Just hold that button down, and then you can use your remote. I hope you can see this right here. It's really cool. Smells really good. If your home or office doesn't smell as well as you would like it to, this waterless diffuser says that it could be the solution. We're going to open it up and find out. Stick around. Just notice it has some stuff written down right over here. I'll put it right here for you to check out while I get this opened up. And by the way, the folks over at Fiteye sent this to me to do a little unboxing and try it out. So there's a little user manual here. Fiteye Intelligent Wireless Scent Diffuser, another user manual here. Usage guide. Oh, it does come with the oils. Little sample bottles, it kind of looks like. Looks like 5 of them, which I would suggest doing that, you know, try the different oils to see if you like them. And by the way, you need 100% pure oil. You can't use the oils that have water in it. This will not work properly like that. I don't know what this is here. We may never know. I think it's a remote. Yep, remote control. USB-A to USB-C charging cord. And by the way, this thing in the base that I'm about to take out right here, this is supposed to have a built-in battery, so you don't have to leave it plugged in all the time. You can charge this up and then go wirelessly. It does have a magnetic base on it. There's a little rubber grip right here, so it shouldn't slide around too much. Oh, yeah. No, it's not going to slide around much. And it does have the little tube right here. This will make sense in a minute. That it's a replacement tube in case something happens to yours. And we have the diffuser itself. This is very well packaged. You'll see how it's packaged. It's styrofoam. So, didn't have any problem with damage. It does have this little protective cover on it. Boy, they have really packages. Whoa, I guess I hit a button. Yeah, there is a button right there. It started buzzing. Get this off of here. Pretty cool looking. Magnetically sticks to that. And it has a little warranty card in here as well. It's a very nice box. It's metal. It's not plastic. That's cool. Maybe like an aluminum. I'll find out though. And here was that power button. I want to bring the camera up a little closer. And I'm going to get some measurements real quick before we get too deep into this. From the right there to the top is 13 5/8 inches tall. The diameter right here is about 2 5/8. The base is about 4 inches around. Here's what that looks like. You kind of get an idea there. Has a little button right there on the front. You just set that right on there, like so. And by the way, there are instructions around here. It kind of gives you the details there on how to operate it. Now, the little green paper is just covering up the QR code. Amazon doesn't allow us to show that, but it does have your instructions there. And you can scan that QR code to download the app. It does have an app that you can install on your phone. Okay, right here we have the base light switch. We have our power button right here, and it also doubles as a factory reset button. Turn it on, just hold it in for a moment. There it is on. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it's a green and a blue light. That green indicator light says it's at 100%. It'll turn yellow at 70% and red at 30%. The blue light above that just means that it is powered on. If it's flashing, it indicates the diffuser is pairing with the remote. Red light indicates the device in pause mode. Yellow light indicates diffuser out of preset working period. Over here on the back side, on that base, you may have noticed it a while ago, but right here is the USB-C port to charge this base. And it should have a LED light ring around here when it is plugged in and charging. I'm going to plug it in so we can see that LED light. Now, we seem to be fully charged right now, but I just want to see what the LED light looks like. And by the way, the USB cord that it comes with is about 38.5 inches long. Cool. I saw a little light go around. There we go. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I mean, you can kind of see it. Off. Cool. Very neat. So you do have to plug in the USB cord for the LED light to be down here. Okay, as far as our oils go, we have Sweetie Girl, Leather Shadow, Summer Day, Ocean, and White Tea. I went ahead and poured the Leather Shadow in there. I'll show you how to do that so you'll know. Really simple. Just make sure it's off. Lift this straight up. Unscrew that. And here is the tube I was talking about a while ago. This one right here. It doesn't have the extra little piece down here on the end, so don't lose that little piece. Anyway, you open your bottle, pour it in there, and put this back on there, like so. It does have a notch right here and a groove inside of here, and you'll just line that straight up and push it down. That's all there is to it. Then you can turn it on. Now, as far as turning it on and off, you have the remote control, but you'll need to manually turn it on at first. You hold that button down, and then you can use your remote. I hope you can see this right here. It's really cool. Smells really good. The remote has I'll put a picture of the remote right here so you can see it better. 1 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 8 hour, and a 12-hour timer on it. You have your on and off, your low, medium, and high. When it is on low, it will spray for 30 seconds as you just saw, and it will pause for 180 seconds. And when you put it on medium, it will spray for 30 seconds, and it'll pause 120 seconds before it sprays again. Then on high, it'll run for 30 seconds, and it'll pause for just 90 seconds, about a minute and a half, and then it'll run again. So unless you have a big area or a really strong odor, you can probably run it on the low. It will use less oil. And as I mentioned before, make sure that you have 100% oil and no diluted down oil with water, because this will not function properly with water diluted oil. It needs to be 100%. And as I mentioned, it does have the QR code on the back of here, as well as in the user manual. You can download the app if you'd like. Basically, you're going to get the same functions as you do with the remote. However, with the app on your phone, you can adjust the hours and different things like that. There is some great videos on the product page going over all that, so there's no use in me boring you with that. Pretty straightforward. Download the app and follow the prompts. Anyway, there you have it. Oh, the remote uses a CR2032 battery. It should last you for a very long time, but in case you have to replace it, that's the size of battery that it does need. Very nice. Smells really good. I've had it running for a little bit. I wanted to kind of familiarize myself with it before I went any further. Really nice. No complaints. I like the aluminum body. The LED light around the bottom is really cool. Remember, you have to have it plugged in and charging for that to go. And by the way, you can have it plugged in and charging, and it's still operational. So you can leave it plugged in all the time if you want to. Totally up to you. But definitely a thumbs up in my book. I like it. Hey, if you want to check this out, I'll put a link down in the description where you can go check it out and possibly order yourself one or order one for someone else. By the way, these oils, there's some different ones on Amazon. Then they have a really large variety pack. And that's what I would suggest, is trying out the different oils and see which ones you really like before you buy the big old bottle, because this thing will hold a lot of oil. So make sure you like that oil before you, there it goes again, before you buy a big bottle. I'll put a link to what looks like a nice little set. I'll put a link down in the description as well. Also, I'll put a playlist right here with some more home and office decor that you might find interesting. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.